In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste content from one page to another in a document efficiently and effectively. This is a fundamental skill that can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow, whether you're working on a school paper, a business report, or any other document. To start, let's talk about navigating to the page from which you'd like to copy content. Open your document and scroll to that specific page. If you have a multi-page document, you might find it helpful to use the scroll bar on the right-hand side to move quickly to your desired location. Once you're on the right page, it's time to select the content you want to copy. For a single-page document, or if the page you're interested in is the only one with content to be copied, a quick shortcut can be used. Simply press Ctrl+A, which will select everything on that page. For those dealing with a multi-page document, however, you'll want to be more precise. Click at the beginning of the content, hold down the mouse button, and drag to the end of the text you wish to copy. This ensures you only capture the content on the selected page. Once your content is selected, it's time to copy it. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or alternatively, right-click within the highlighted area and choose Copy from the context menu. This action stores the selected content in your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Next, navigate to the place in your document where you'd like to insert this copied content. This is often at the end of the document or at the end of the preceding section. Once there, you need to create space for the new page. You can insert a new blank page by heading to the Insert tab on your toolbar and clicking on Blank Page. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+Enter, which provides a quick and easy way to add a page break. Now comes the final step, pasting the content. Position your cursor where you want the new page to begin, and press Ctrl+V to paste the content you copied earlier from the clipboard. If you prefer a more manual approach, right-click at the insertion point and select Paste from the menu. And there you have it. Following these steps allows you to efficiently duplicate page content within your document. This technique is incredibly useful for maintaining consistency, updating documents, or reorganizing content as you refine your work. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll find that copying and pasting pages in your document becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on these document navigation techniques.